Hey guys, today let's learn how to add removed friend back on Snapchat. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a specific removed friend back over onto the Snapchat application in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that real quick. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So in the case that you guys recently removed a friend, so let's say for example that this is the friend that we accidentally removed before. So when you tap on remove, well, basically it's now gone, right? So what we can do in order to add them back is to basically search for their username and try to add them back once more. As you see, it's the same username right here. I'm going to tap on add friend to this guy so that I could add them back one more time. Basically, that's how you guys could add those removed friend back again on Snapchat, but just easily going ahead and searching for their username and adding them back. Of course, you gotta wait for them to respond and accept your add request, and that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.